The reopening of markets across different districts in Meghalaya and specifically within Shillong agglomeration has brought back life into the otherwise dull and quiet streets. It may be recalled that the Cabinet Review meeting held on the 18th of June 2021 had decided on the regulation of such markets by the Deputy Commissioners of each district, and decisions on different schedules would have to be taken as per the local situation. As the COVID cases in the entire state of Meghalaya have been seen to come down and the curve has started to flatten, the district administration has decided to reopen the markets within East Khasi Hills and also in the rural areas of other districts. However, these markets would be regulated by the Deputy Commissioner of each district so as to curb the rise of infection in the state. The entire state has been under lockdown for quite some time now. It is much of a relief to everyone to see that the entire Shillong city is again alive with people roaming about the streets, but at the same time maintaining the standard operating procedures that have been issued by the state government. With camera person Refulgent, this is Bethleen Dakar for Media Plus Shillong.